Hello. This is NS7 NewStar. We have a very good conditions with its own original leather, acetone resistance, with built-in remote control. We have two armrests, one on each side. Very nice conditions, clean. We have a bowl that is non-breaking bowl, and we got Magna Jet system by Lurico. Okay, overall, this spa is very clean, great condition. We sell as is with a 6-month warranty. We will deep clean this baby and ready to go. We have a few in stock, first come, first serve. Cup holders here. All right. Thank you for watching. Let us know. Give us a call, 704-490-3934. Thank you.